Hello everyone and welcome to Tiresome. My name's Mike and it's a bit of a different one today. Going through a bit of an update on where I've been, what I've been doing. Well, actually no, because it's personal. I'm not telling you about it. Stop asking. Secretly though, I have been going through some stuff with personally, nothing car related, don't worry about it. But I'm on the up now, things are looking good, okay? I'm healthy. Well, I mean, I'm f***ing not, am I? But, you know, oi! Ken on the camera, by the way, if you hadn't noticed by that manoeuvre. What I thought I'd do is obviously just give you a bit of an update on my where I am, but also, more importantly for you guys, an update on the cars. I now realise that we're stood where the Alpha should be, so I'll go get that. Are you recording?
Yeah, we're all recording. I don't know why you're dancing. It's barely in the fucking video.
Look everyone, it's an Alfa Romeo 159 Ti. It's the sport wagon. It's got the 2.4 litre 5-cylinder diesel engine. It's great. I love everything about this car. It's comfortable, it's powerful, it's practical. We just went to see CKY in it with our lovely friend Pete, didn't we, Ken? It's great. We only got pulled over for having no headlights. Once. So, he said, why you got your fog lights on? Oh, I don't know, officer, it was just very dim. Oh, well, you best look into that. Oh, I will. Thank you very much for your leniency. Yes, yes. Well, it's got 3 lights. Well, 6, I guess. And they're not working properly. So, we need to sort that out. I don't know what it is. I hope it's not an ECU computer, whatever unit situation. It's just bulbs or fuses, obviously.
Italia.
This little beastie here, which you're going to be seeing very soon, because actually that's what Ken and I are doing today, aside from this short little update video. The Scimitar is amazing. It rips. I drive it maybe once every week or two. I'm going to sneeze now. It absolutely rips. It's great. I love it. It feels more powerful than it ever has done. Since we've done the head gasket, not an issue at all. However, because it's been taken down from daily duty and is now a weekend car, or, you know, things of that effect, the battery's died. And when I say died, I mean it won't hold a charge. So what I might try and do is just give it one full flashing of charge, but I want to get one of those like solar panel things that goes in the window, so when I'm not using it like it currently is, it can just be sat there sort of sipping on some battery. Aside from that, I crank it over, it fires well, faster than this does, and it's just an absolute joy to drive. I love it very much. It's not going anywhere, it never will, don't worry about that. Lots of modifications coming for this one too, as well as the video that was coming out in a week or two. Then, I thought you were going to move with me. We've got the Supra. So the last video that the Supra was in, we did the sill on the side, which is still there, which is good. That means Tim did a very good job on that. It still actually looks really good under there. You won't be able to see. Trust my judgment. If you want to see it, go and watch the video. It looks the same. And the engine is the same. So the issue with the engine reinstallation is that the EGR system on the back of the head needs a gasket. The gasket's quite rare, doesn't come in all these sort of basic head gasket sets. So you have to get one from Japan or America, and it's like a $20 or $30 item plus the same in shipping, and it's a bit of a pain in the arse. And my current situation means that I don't have that much expendable income, let alone for fucking gaskets. If it wasn't for that, we could have the head bolted down and everything. I haven't touched this car since that video. I really very much want to. However, it is currently the beginning of November. It's getting colder, and you know, I wear the shorts, don't I? I might have to put some trousers on and work through winter, but more importantly, it's actually down to lighting. I can't work on the car after work anymore, and we have to rely on just Saturdays or Sundays to work on the cars, and that's if the weather's okay and if people are available. So that's where we are. I like my cars, man. I love these cars. An awesome daily, the hot rod ripping car that scares people, and then the long-term project to actually, you know, sink your teeth into. And I really hope that one day I can see that thing on the road, ripping around, and look back at what it looks like currently, and just be amazed. I should be able to say that about the Scimitar, but I don't think we're there yet. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. See you in the future. That was a Sainsbury's van. It's It's all right. People have just started shouting as soon as we've started recording, so we'll start this again.